for my further education.
Okay, so you applied for this general training, that is for the PR.
No. Yeah, that is for the PR, but the exam I wanna give, they accept the general.
Okay, general exam is there, na, for the PR. That is for general training only. That what I am confirming from you. Okay. So, have
Okay.
you attended? I think 3 classes, right? With the previous trainer. How much have you completed in this for the reading?
So the one class I didn't attend, she already put the absent, so I cannot consider that. But in two class we just did the annotation.
That's it. Okay. Are you aware of the structure, Jalak? How it is? The reading structure, everything? Okay. Tell
Yes.
me how it is.
So in the first section, we have two semi sections. So we can have true, false, not given, and fill in the blanks, and matching the paragraph. And the first section consider um, near around 600 words, 400 to 600. Second also 400 to 600, and the last is 800. So total like 2000 words in second para. So the first is
Hmm.
general information,
Hmm. Two texts, then
and
two
the
texts, another section 3
second one
has
is like the
one.
actual fact.
Hmm. Section 3 has one text, right? So it is like this. Okay. Okay. So you know what are the
Something
task
is wrong.
types,
Just a
right?
minute.
Okay.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes. Now I think you're audible. But again, I can't see you.
Okay.
Without.
Yeah. Now is it?
No, only alphabet is coming. ZP. That's it. Blank screen.
Oh, I think how can it possible?
No, I don't know what is the problem. Only your voice is coming, not the camera. It's not showing.
But it, yeah, but when I use the camera, I can see my face, but I don't know what's going on here again.
Okay, so you want to continue without camera?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Now, Jhalak, please note it down. Whatever I'm going to just type in the chat option. Because see, in IELTS
Mm-hmm.
now, two things really play a very pivotal role. First are your
Mm-hmm.
strategies, and second are your vocabulary. Okay, that has to be very strong if you want to get good band scores in this exam. Okay, so already you are aware of the
Mm-hmm.
structures in this. Three sections are there, right? And you will get the number
Yeah,
of questions 13, 13, 14. It's like this.
yeah.
Now, coming to the task types, they can give you As you said, true, false, not given. First, I'm writing them, then I will take them one by one and will tell you how to make the strategy, how to go for these exercises. Second is yes, no, and not given. Can you see my chat option?
Yes.
Then the third is your matching type of questions. Under matching type, we have three types of exercises under matching. Matching features, then we have matching heading, and then we have matching information. These exercises comes under matching type of questions. Then we have completion type of questions. Under completion type, we have seven type of exercises. They can give you summary completion, note completion, table, flow chart, diagram labeling. Then we have MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice questions. MCQs. And then we have short answer questions. Okay. So,
Okay.
are you noting it down?
Yeah.
Do it, do it.
Okay. Just a minute.
Just tell me when you are complete with this.
Done.
Done? Okay.
Yes.
Now see, coming to the most vital part, and this is strategies, as I told you. Now, if I go for true, false, yes, no, matching features, matching heading, and all the completion exercise, we follow one strategy. Because in all these exercises, sequence is there. Sequence means somehow chronological order is there, right? Maybe up and down two, three
Mm.
paragraphs, but you can find the answers in a sequence somehow. But there is one
Mm.
exercise that is different, that is matching information. Okay, which one?
Mm.
Matching
Mm.
information.
Information.
Only in matching information, sequence is not there. So in this, we follow different strategy to save our time, because hardly we have 1 hour and 40 questions. So we have to be very smart in applying the strategies in solving the exercises, right? Okay, now start writing.
Mm.
Put the heading strategy for all the reading exercises.
Okay. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay.
Okay, start writing.
Mm-hmm.
Strategy for all the reading exercises
Already. Okay.
except matching information. Make a star
Okay.
and write except matching information.
Matching.
Matching
Okay.
information, I will give you another strategy. Okay. The reason I
Okay.
told you with why, because only in matching information sequence is not there in this exercise. Okay. Okay. Start with
Okay.
what have you written? So
Strategies for not there. Okay. Strategies for all reading exercises. Except matching information
okay.
because for the matching information we need another strategy just because of the sequence is not there.
Yes, they are different because of they are not in sequence, right? Okay. Right
Mm-hmm.
on first step. Read the
Okay.
instructions and follow them well. This will be your first step always. Read the instructions carefully because
Okay.
instructions play a very pivotal role. As you already know, in IELTS, there is no negative marking, there is no half marking, right? Either you will get one
Mm.
or straight away zero. It is like this. So please adhere to the
Okay.
instructions well. Okay, don't cross that limit.
Mm.
In this, they said not more than one word, not more than two words. So don't cross that limit in any case. Next step,
Okay.
you will read question number one.
Mm.
Okay, after reading, we will go to we will read question number one. Then you will, after reading question number one, you will go to paragraph one, and then you will annotate the paragraph. You know now how to do that annotation.
Yeah.
Annotate the paragraph and then mark the answer.
Okay.
Same way, you will read question number two, then you will go to the next paragraph, annotate it, and this will go like this with the rest of the questions. Okay,
Okay.
so I mean to say, in all the exercises except matching information, we will go from question to paragraph. Okay,
Okay.
now note down. Now, this strategy,
Yeah.
please don't. Are you saying something?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm writing down. Just a minute. Except information matching, we follow this strategy reading the question first and then text. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Now, this strategy don't apply to matching information. Okay, that I will tell you another one. Start writing.
Okay.
Strategy for
Yes.
matching information exercises.
Okay.
Write down. First step. First step will be same. Read the instructions. That will be same. Now, second step. You will read paragraph first. Okay, now this is opposite, vice versa. You will read paragraph first,
Okay.
you will annotate the paragraph,
Mm.
and then you will mark the answer.
Okay.
Same way, next step, read para 2, annotate it, and then mark the answer. So, only in
Okay.
this exercise we follow from paragraph to question, right? Otherwise, in all the other
Mm.
task types, we are going from question to paragraph, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
in matching information, we are going from paragraph to question. The reason I told you why,
Okay.
because only in this exercise sequence is not there, right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay.
Clear. Yeah.
Now I'm writing few things. Are you aware of the hyphenated words?
No.
Now just understand what are hyphenated words. And hyphenated words are counted as single word
One.
in IELTS. They are not going to count two words, they will be count one word. If you are going to write hyphenated
Okay.
words. Like we used to write
No.
like this, well known, good hearted. These are hyphenated words. Okay?
Okay.
So they will be counted as one word.
One.
Then, you know what are contracted words?
No.
Contracted words are called short forms. They are not tested in writing. Like we used to write na apostrophe M, I apostrophe double N,
Uh,
right? Short forms. Please
mm,
avoid them in your
mm,
writing, especially in formal and semi formal letters. Okay? Please avoid them. In informal letter, you can use, but not in formal and semi formal.
okay.
In speaking you can use them, but please avoid them in your writing. Okay? So the general
Okay.
things I'm telling you, you should be aware of these things. Okay. Now I'm sending you one grading chart on your WhatsApp number, because
Mm-hmm.
you should know how they grade you, how they give you the band score. Just open the page.
Yeah.
Now look into general section because you're going for this general training.
Mm-hmm.
This is the grading for both reading and listening. If you have got 40 out of 40, 9 band score. 39, 8.5. 37 to 38, 8. Okay, so it's like this.
Mm-hmm.
I sent you for your knowledge.
Mm.
Okay,
Yep.
you can go through it. Got it, Jalak? Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let us start with the task types one by one. Let us start with the true false, yes. Okay. What do you understand by true
Mm.
or yes?
So if they tell us in the instruction like you have to give the answer in form of the true, then we have to write down as a true. We cannot write down as a yes. But if they ask us to write it down in the form of the yes, then we cannot write it down as a
Correct.
true.
The information where they're asking you in the question, basically, that agrees that given in the paragraph, right? There's an agreement between both of them, right? So that means true
Yeah.
or yes. What do you understand by false or
Mm.
no?
Same thing. If they say false, then write it down the false. If they say write it down the no, then write it as a no.
Now, see, students make lot of mistakes between false and not given. Please understand. In
Yeah.
false,
Yeah.
the information which they're giving you in the passage here contradicts with the information in the question. right? There will be contradiction between both of them. Disagreement is there, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
information will be there in the passage, but they're asking you in the question, that will be there in the paragraph, but contradiction, disagreement is there. They are not matching to each other, right? And in not given case, the information which they are asking you in the question, that